Robotics and automation are present in nearly every field of endeavor, from manufacturing to medicine, from retail to rescue operations. The economic future of our nation relies on having skilled personnel to build, operate, and maintain these systems. At the nexus of robotics and education, Intelitek has fashioned the ultimate learning experience, RoboX. RoboX is an innovative, web-based learning platform designed to introduce students to the world of industrial robotics and automation, with a simulation based on real hardware, and a rich curriculum built on decades of research aligned to industry standards. RoboX enables schools to expand their technology programs and impact upon more students with all levels of experience. Leveraging partnerships with industry leaders such as Amazon, Yaskawa, Cognex, and Rockwell Automation, RoboX connects students directly to the forefront of robotics technologies and modern industrial processes. The skills acquired through RoboX will facilitate students in solidifying their place in leading industries around the world. Skills and knowledge that students will master include robot components and architecture, movement and coordinate systems, standard programming and block programming, end-of-arm tooling, sensors and input signals, conveyors, turntables, and other peripheral devices, motion planning and system optimization, material handling, palletizing, assembly, welding, and much more. RoboX puts students on a pathway to a profession in a growing industry with job opportunities and a lifelong career path. Join Intelitek and secure the brightest possible future for your students.